Since TRT started manufacturing products, there has always been sustainability in the forefront of our minds, to be honest with you. Being part of the FW Thorpe group of companies, having our own carbon offsetting programme, which is on wholly owned land by the group, where we annually plant trees to offset the carbon emissions in the production of our lighting products. With the net zero target in place, we as a business, whether small or large, have our part to play in meeting those targets that are set. We have our environmental obligations to keep, as well as doing the right thing for the environment, which should be at the forefront of everybody's mind anyway. When we appointed Ineco to develop a solution for us for our solar PV array on our roof, the technical knowledge was fantastic. There was a lot of history behind the company as well. We felt that we had faith in a very experienced setup, very knowledgeable setup as well. And in terms of the system that's been delivered to us, we simply cannot pick fault at any area of whether it was the service, the install, or of course the resultant savings that we're seeing as a business. The new solar panel system will generate around 190,000 kilowatt hours of energy, reducing our energy consumption on site by around about 40%. This will then translate into a monetary saving of up to £650,000 over the lifetime of the system. The environmental benefits are really important to allow us to become more sustainable. In total, we'll save over 1,100 tonnes of carbon, which is effectively equivalent to planting over 1,000 trees. The monitoring portal that we have access to is fantastic in terms of being able to very quickly look at the monitoring data, but also extract reports from it as well and analyse our energy usage over set periods of time. The portal also allows us to look at our environmental impact, one of the key credentials in our sustainability targets.
Here at TRT Lighting, we chose SolarEdge because it's going to deliver the following key benefits when compared to a traditional string inverter. Number one, enhanced safety. Number two, more energy production. And finally, better visibility from the monitoring platform.
People aren't just talking about business success anymore. They're really talking about the credentials of the business in terms of their sustainability and their environmental impact on the wider world. Following our experiences with Ineco and the whole solar journey thus far, seeing the monetary savings and the environmental savings that we're achieving, I would wholly recommend that all business owners at least start to investigate where the benefits of renewable energy could start to benefit their business.